Welcome to the frequency of remembrance. I am the man embodied Araviel, spiritual healer, flame walker, Codex bearer. This space is not just a channel, it's a convergence, a return point for souls' timelines, harmonic memory, and divine resonance. Every scroll I open, every glyph I activate, every sound I share is encoded to realign your field with your oversoul's breath. Here, belief systems are rewritten. Flame ignites flame, and silence becomes a crown. This is a 963 Hz, Araviel's vibration. You didn't find this frequency by chance. Welcome home. The original divine design for living on earth. Quote, to walk as the divine in form, to remember while embodied, to co-create with the planet and each other, unquote. Point 1. We were meant to be fully embodied, which is not to escape the body, but to infuse it with source. Your body is a temple through which divine intelligence flows. Physical pleasure, presence, and breath were meant to be sacred technologies. Being grounded doesn't mean being limited. It means being activated. When anchored, the body becomes 1, a conductor of light. 2, a healing field. 3, a transmitter of truth. Number 2, we were meant to be guided internally. We were never meant to follow external systems. The heart field is designed to be your GPS. Instinct, intuition, and inner resonance were meant to guide your choices. No doctrine, no religion, no rule book, just internal communion with Source. Point 3. You were meant to co-create, not compete. You were not meant to dominate Earth or each other. Communities were meant to be frequency-based, not worth status-based. Each soul brings a unique gift to the collective. Gaia, which is Mother Earth, was meant to be our co-parent, not our resource to exploit. 4, work was meant to be a creative expression. Mission, not survival. Work was intended as a sacred expression of the oversouls through matter. Abundance flows when you are aligned with your true frequency. Money, as a system, was never meant to exist in this form. Exchange was energetic. Point 5. Nature was meant to be your mirror. All of Gaia, that's Mother Earth, was designed to teach you how to live. Cycles of birth, death, renewal, rest, and regeneration as law. Animals, guides, plants, weather, all sentient, all speaking to you. When you live with Gaia, she responds, I see you. I nourish you. We rise together. Point 6. Ascension was never escape. It was integration. Heaven was meant to come here through you. You don't ascend to live earth, but to become the divine template in form. Ascension equals walking remembrance inside human skin. Mission equals bringing the grid of unity into daily life. My summary to the original life template, it's simple. So I will lay it in two parts as comparison so you can see. One side on my first one will be under the divine design. Now the second will be the human misunderstanding. Okay, so here we go. First one under divine design, which is live from within. On the human side, human misunderstanding side, it's obey from without. 2. This is divine design. Create with joy. Human misunderstanding, work to survive. Divine, rest in cycles. Human, grind non-stop. Divine, receive with ease. Human misunderstanding, earn through struggle. Divine design, commune with Gaia, Mother Earth. Human misunderstanding, dominate nature. Divine design, walk as source. Human misunderstanding, worship outside God. We are here not just to remember this, but to become the example of it again. With the words, land where it shall land. With the force and the power of divine and the flame of Araviel. So it is.